we're going to do a quick workshop on generating a set of ideas on how the network resources can better support you in your day-to-day work and activity. And so this includes everything from finding mentorship that you need, to finding better tooling, to like help you automate things, to whatever it is. And so we're going to generate a bunch of ideas, and then we're going to distill the ones that we think are like higher value. And then a set of us will implement those in 2025. So cool. Get your laptops out. We're just going to use the next 10 minutes to generate some ideas. I'm going to make a set of bullet points on what are you currently getting the most value out of, and then a set of bullet points on what could we help you more with, and be concrete on ideas. And this could be anything. It's just I'm looking for things that you currently are getting value out of, and anything new that you think we could add. So it could be anything from like, oh, I wish I could have more easier office hours, or I wish I could find somebody to help me with projects faster, or somebody who could help answer my questions faster, or I wish like information was easier to find, or I don't know, I wish I could like learn more about how to do my role faster or better or level up. I wish I had like a mentor who could help me grow myself, or I wish I could learn about X. I don't know, whatever it is that like you kind of wish for, yeah, just dump it into the second spot. And so I'll give a little bit of time for people just to write. All right, I think that is it for the time I think we had in the session. Let me just check. Thank you so much for the suggestions. That's really useful. We will use those. And the other sessions that you might want to look at are one, capital, bringing more capital into the PL network that Konstantin and Brad are going to lead. And that will be here. And the other one is industry conference PL growth session that Mosh is leading. And that'll be in meeting room number 2. Thank you very much.